How to repair a broken water line. I was out here earlier today with a T-post, and I put a T-post in the ground and cracked a water line. Water started coming up, and so we had to shut the water off, and I had to dig out. And so this is what was underneath the ground. So it took me quite a bit of time to dig this out, get all the dirt away from it, so that I could clean it and see where the break was. And so right here, this is already repaired, but I'm just walking you through it. Right here, water was shooting up because the water line was cracked right there. So what I had to do was I had to take a cutting tool like this, and I had to cut in two places. I had to cut there and I had to cut there. So I basically had to remove that broken piece of pipe. Then I had to get a 3/4 inch pipe that would be the new pipe for this section. I also had to get two unions. Here's a union and here's a union. So you need two unions and a piece of 3/4 inch pipe. Now it's important to recognize that this pipe does have hot water running through it. And so you have to get CPVC pipe. PVC pipe is not what you need. I'll say that again. You need CPVC to hold hot water. It's important. The unions also have to be CPVC. Now, also, these two are important. I had to use this purple primer and this cement. So these come together in a pack, purple primer and cement for plumbing. I had to take these items and I had to prepare each time that there was contact between the pipe. I had to put primer first, let it dry for a few seconds, put the glue on, and then I had to glue this union and this union and this piece of pipe all to repair the pipe. I'm gonna let it dry. Just a couple of things I forgot to say is when you cut it, it's gonna have some jagged edges and some burrs in it, and it's really important that you get those burrs out. So I use sandpaper to make it smooth and to get all the burrs out. I wanted to clean it up as much as possible. It's also important that it's dry. I had a little problem with this pipe was dripping, and so I did not want water mixing with the glue as I was gluing it. So it needs to be dry, clean, free of any burrs or anything like that, so that that won't get in your water line. But I'm going to let this dry for several minutes before I turn the water back on. But that is how you repair a broken water line.